Hey everyone! Welcome back to our VPN series. If you're new here, don't forget to check out our playlists for more tutorials. Today, I'm going to guide you through setting up Express UDP VPN for a fast and secure internet connection. Before we dive in, make sure to follow my blog, subscribe to my channel, and like and share this video for more helpful content. First, grab your mobile device and tap on the Play Store icon to launch the app. In the Play Store, you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type Express UDP VPN. Hit Enter to start your search. In the search results, locate Express UDP VPN. Tap on it to view the app details, then hit the Install button. This might take a few moments, so hang tight. Once installation is complete, tap Open to launch Express UDP VPN. You'll now be on the app's home screen. The app has two main settings we need to configure: connection type and server selection. Let's start with the connection type. Tap on the connection type menu. You'll see a list of options. Select UDP mode from the list. This setting ensures a fast and secure connection. Next, let's choose a server. Tap on the server selection menu to see a list of available server locations. Pick your preferred location from this list. Now that we've set the connection type and server, we're ready to connect. Tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. To verify the connection, you can check the connection logs. Just swipe right or tap on the log label to view them. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Express UDP VPN for a fast and secure internet connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.